Hello everyone, this printer is Epson EcoTank ET-2950. What I want to do is to show you how to set this printer up. We're going to connect it to a Wi-Fi network from the control panel and also add it to mobile device. You also have option for you to do this on mobile phone straight, but I want us to connect the printer via a wireless network from the control panel. What you need to do is, once you get to the menu, use right arrow button, go all the way to the settings. So select the settings, select OK, then scroll down to network settings. Select OK to network settings. It will show you print status sheet. Scroll down to Wi-Fi setup. Select OK to proceed. It will show you Wi-Fi direct, easy connect via an app. So select Wi-Fi, then you select OK to proceed. You can print wirelessly from computer and devices via Wi-Fi. Then you select OK. Wi-Fi setup wizard or push button setup or others. So select Wi-Fi setup wizard, select OK. So it's going to search for SSID, wireless router, within the environment where the printer is situated. So it's searching for SSID and the network is found. Once you find the network, then you select OK. Asks you to enter password. So I'm going to enter the password. To enter the password, you need to use up or down or side arrow button to go to specific character. Once you select the particular character, then you select OK. It will record. Then you go to the next. If you want to select uppercase, you need to scroll down to select A1 and hash. Once you select on it, select OK. It will bring a character to uppercase. Then you select specific one. To lower the uppercase, you need to select A1 and hash. Select it again. It will lower the case to 1, 2, 3. Then select it again. You go to lowercase. So once you put the password finish, you need to select OK to submit. Go all the way to the end and select OK. Then it will show you setting up. Setup complete. Then you select OK. Then you go back to the home page. Then it will show you a new firmware update. Then you select OK. Current version update. Then you select OK. Select OK. Then update will take about several minutes. Then you select OK if you want to update the printer. Then you select OK. Preparing to update. Then it will show you customer research. Then you go back. So this is how to connect this printer to a network. Then the next thing to do is, if you want to add it to your mobile phone, you need to go to Play Store. Go to Play Store and select apps and search Epson Smart Panel. Epson Smart Panel. Install the app on your mobile phone, then open the app. Select Agree. So it's searching for the product. So I'm going to go back. So this is Epson Smart Panel. To add the printer, you need to select plus. It will show you set up a new product or connect a product already on Wi-Fi. Select connect product already on the Wi-Fi network. So it's going to search for this printer. So the printer is found ET-2950 series. Select on it. Setup is complete. Then you select OK. This is the printer. Now I want us to print a document to confirm. Select Print. Select Document Print. So I want to print out this document. It's 2-page document. To print it out, select Print Settings. So the printer is selected. Then you select Print Range 1 to 2, Paper Type A4, Media Type Plain Paper, Layout, Borders, Print Quality Standard, Paper Source, Real Paper Tray. Two-sided printing, select two-sided printing, long edge. Then you select number of copies, select Done. Then select Print. So the print is completed. This is the document we printed out two-sided. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network from the control panel, then add it to your mobile phone and print out a document. Thank you very much indeed.